What's up guys, and welcome back to another video. It's Matini here, and today I am sharing with you what my twin boys eat in a day. So basically on this video, they were actually 9 months old. They're now 10 months, and I do have to point out that some of the foods might actually look like it's a really large portion, but they have quite a large appetite, so that is why it looks like that. Also, everybody has a different culture and a different way of eating and feeding their kids, so I would like to ask you to respect that as you watch this video, guys. If there's something that you don't agree with, that's okay. Let me know in the comments in a nice, respectful way. But let's go ahead and get into this video so I can show you what they eat in a day. To get started, for breakfast, I'm actually warming up their milk. It is 8 a.m. right now, and they just woke up. Usually they wake up around this time, and when they do, of course, they are hungry. They just want to eat. So I will warm up their milk on the stovetop, and this is how I warm up all the milk for them. I just put it in their cups and then place it in water on the stovetop, and I just allow that to come to a boil, and then I turn the temperature down, and then just let it cool for a little bit, and then once it's cooled, then I will take that over to them and have them drink it while they're waiting for the actual solids. Breakfast usually consists of eggs, cereal, and some fruit. This is typically what they eat on a regular basis. I am starting to introduce some other things as well, but since I don't really eat bread that much, they don't really eat bread in the morning or other items. It's usually just eggs, fruits, and cereal. I don't know why, but for some reason they will not eat the eggs by themselves. Like, I have to mix the eggs with cereal, with baby cereal, for them to actually eat it, which is like really interesting to me. But I usually will just mix it with the Gabba's baby cereal, and I really like this one that has bananas and whatnot, so I mix it up, and then they seem to really enjoy it. So yeah, that's kind of what we usually do for breakfast. If you are new to my channel, hello and welcome. Thank you so much for tuning into this video and for watching. If you like what you see, don't forget to leave a like and a comment down below, guys. In this channel, I make content on motherhood, lifestyle, and cleaning. I am a 20-something-year-old single mother to twin boys, and I love sharing my motherhood journey on here and also on my blog over at singlemammywinning.com. So once you're done watching this video, be sure to check that out. I do have a few blog posts that I posted there, so I'm sure you're gonna enjoy the read. So definitely check that out after you're done with this video, and don't forget to subscribe if you are new, and if you are not subscribed, would love to have you join the fam. So after they eat their breakfast in the morning, they will usually play around, and then around 10 they will get tired and they'll want to actually take a nap. So I do give them milk before they go to sleep, or before they go take a nap, and then when they wake up for lunch, then we actually do lunch. This time they actually woke up a little later, so they're going to be having their lunch around 1 p.m. And for lunch, I do have some leftovers that I made previously. I really like to meal prep and prepare my items ahead of time, so that it actually helps me because I am a single mom and I work from home. So meal prepping really helps when it comes to making sure that I have food ready for them. So now I'm actually going to warm up some beans that I had made for them. And they're going to have beans and rice plus avocado. Hodari comes in and he's just ready to eat. Oh my goodness. They definitely were pretty hungry. So usually if I give them milk before they go to sleep, I don't give it to them right away when they wake up, just because I know that it hasn't been too long since they last had milk. So I sometimes will give them a little bit of water to have with their meals, or I'll just give them some milk and they can drink that as they eat as well. And as you have seen before, I have kind of taught them to be more independent by actually holding their own cups, and they feed themselves. And this is why some of the portions may seem large, because they will not, sometimes they don't eat all of it. Some of it will just end up on the floor. So I do like, giving them the freedom of actually feeding themselves, because it does free me from having to feed them. And then also they are at an age where they actually can feed themselves. Oh my gosh, Hodari just stole Milo's milk. But they are at an age where they can actually feed themselves, and so I want to promote those skills by allowing them to actually you know, use their hands and grasp and put food to their mouths. And as they develop, you know, we continue to, you know, improve and use different motor skills. So pretty soon here they'll be, you know, using their own, they'll be using utensils on their own. So this is just a way for me to kind of help develop that as I see the cues that they give me. Let me know in the comments, at what age did you allow your babies to feed themselves? And even more, at what age did you start feeding solids to your babies so that they can start eating by themselves? So after lunch, they will play around again for a little bit, and then I do like to put them down for an afternoon nap. And when they wake up from their nap, I like to give them a bit of a fruit salad. So I will mix up various fruits and give this to them so that they can eat as they wait for the actual dinner. And as I mentioned before, the portions may seem larger, and that is only because I know that some of this will end up on the floor and that they pretty much won't finish the whole thing. So I think one thing that I might start doing is actually placing the food on the table. I don't like to do that too much because I mean I feel like, you know, we're programmed to eat on plates, you know, but I think I might have to do that just so I can avoid them either throwing food that is on their plates, or just like, you know, taking food from the plate and, you know, putting it elsewhere. So do you prefer using plates with your babies, or do you like to actually put the actual food on the table thingy? Let me know in the comments. My babies already have quite a bit of teeth in their mouth. I think they each actually have more than seven teeth, and it's crazy to think that just recently they were babies with no teeth, and now they have almost a mouthful of teeth. So it's really crazy to see how they are growing and developing. I know that there are most babies that don't have teeth until pretty late. So let me know as well, when did your babies start developing their teeth, and how many did they get at first? Because mine are currently 10 months, as I mentioned, and yeah, they almost have a full mouth of teeth. My guy, why would you throw your plates? Yeah. But Milo is he actually finished. There's some stuff on his thing, but he was able to finish his fruit. Yay, baby. Okay. Well, Dari is slowly getting it done, right, baby? Yeah, Milo's having a little situation going on here. Oh, never mind. Here's some fruits. But yeah, I think they really do enjoy this fruit. I want to take care of this guy. What's up, baby? Huh? For today's dinner, I actually made chicken breast and some sweet potatoes for them. And with the chicken breast, I do like to meal prep and prepare them ahead of time, but there are some times when I just like it fresh. Like there's something about chicken breast that you just want it fresh. So I just made it by making it on the pan here. And usually, so the boys do eat adult foods, I guess. So they eat quite a variety of different meats. Chicken being one of them, and with the chicken I give it to them shredded, so that it's easy for them to consume. Even though they do have quite a bit of teeth, they don't have a mouthful of teeth. So I do want to give them some opportunities to still be able to consume the majority of that chicken. So I do it shredded for them. Wait, not shredded. What is that word? You'll see what I mean in the video. But yeah, so I'm making chicken and some sweet potatoes here for them to have for dinner. You want to eat, baby? Huh? Look, Milo, he's going after it. But Hodari, for some reason, you know you're gonna ask for this later, right? Milo, what do you have to say, baby? Okay. Mr. Troublemaker. A little update. So I ended up giving this guy some milk, and of course he ate a little bit more of his food. Honestly, he's gonna come back here and he's gonna cry for this. Dada, huh? Dada. Milo is done. Threw his plate over here. I don't know what's up with babies. Like, this is their sign, huh? Milo, this is it, right? You're done? Hodari. Oh my gosh, he just farted. Oh, baby. Oh, Milo's just like, what is going on here? Yeah. What's up, baby? Look, you have food in front of you. Okay, I'm gonna grab you. But yeah, that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed watching this with my screaming baby. Come on. Well, with Milo here, I hope you enjoyed watching this video, guys. If you did, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more videos like this, and I'll see you on the next one. Say bye, Milo. Good night. Okay, he's still chewing his chicken. Okay, good night, guys.